Do you know what God can do over a man's finances? When God starts to wake people because of you, it will be as if you got something from a native doctor and put it in your back pocket that is causing this. My God, my brother, how do you ever believe you are going to build a house now? Do you know, we were traveling somewhere and I was lamenting, we're discussing in the vehicle. I said, the way the world is now, the average young, please make it a point of duty to not be poor. Listen to this as an advice. Don't wait until pain forces you to learn.
I want to say a very big thank you to those of you that used to see my video but you will not like it, you will not share it, you will not add to favorite, you will not comment. I pray that on your wedding day, breeze will blow your canopy away, your rice will be salty, your guests will not come, your cake will fall on the poto, and your DJ will not come. Yes, rain will even fall that day.